This is 106 between first and second. Ceiling fan. It's a large one. It's like a two-bedroom. It's a floor to roof, available. Heat and hot water is included. This is the street. Beautiful. This is a bigger room. Large closet, and it's got overhead as well. And this is room number 2 with a heat inside, heating pipe. This is room number 3. Huge closet with overhead and another closet. And this is the kitchen. Very sunny today. This is the entrance. And this is the window bathroom with a shower, high ceiling, and this is facing the back, beautiful sunny, and this is south facing. It's a private owner, small building. This is the top floor. Very big apartment, easy to share.